Have you ever had a slow month, slow months, or even a slow year? What do you do when business is slow? Do you analyze your CRM? Do you make sure your marketing and sales efforts align? Do you focus on upselling and cross-selling? Have you ever thought of adding a new service to generate more revenue to help you during slow times? Well, here's some food for thought. The great Warren Buffett once said, "The investor of today does not profit from yesterday's growth." Windshield repair is our bread and butter when it comes to the service that we offer locally, but years back we started doing headlight restoration. Why? We thought it would be good for business because it would be helping our customers increase their driving visibility and safety. It would help them maintain the value of the vehicle and save them money from having to purchase new headlights. Also, it didn't take away from our existing windshield repair business. So let's fast forward to now. Last month, we were down 31.3% when it comes to windshield repair, but our headlight restoration service side of the business was up 89.5%. We always want good months, but in reality, everyone has slow times. So the point here is that windshield repair and headlight restoration complement each other and will help any business financially during slow times. If you're thinking about adding a new service on such as headlight restoration, here's something to consider. The labor time to do a headlight restoration is only 30 minutes to an hour. You get great results the first time every time, and headlight restoration has low overhead and high returns. Don't hesitate to contact us if you're ready to get started or if you have any questions or concerns.